In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the name of your Wix site in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to rebrand or simply want a change, updating your site's name is a straightforward process that you can accomplish effortlessly. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to log into your Wix account. Head over to the Wix website and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be in the Wix dashboard, which is your command center for managing your site. The dashboard provides a comprehensive view of your websites, and here you'll start the journey to renaming your site. Next, find the My Store section within the dashboard. Once you're there, you'll want to select Go to All Sites. This action will direct you to a list of all the sites you currently manage under your Wix account. This section is essentially your workspace for all site-related activities. It's where you can manage multiple sites, and the option we're looking for next is available here. Now, for the third step, locate the site you wish to rename. Next to the site name, you'll see an ellipsis, which looks like 3 dots. These 3 little dots are packed with potential, giving you additional options for managing your site. Click on that ellipsis, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose the Rename option. It's a straightforward choice, but it's the gateway to updating the site's identity. Finally, once you've entered the new name for your site, don't overlook the need to click on Save. Saving your work is crucial in ensuring that your changes take effect. Without clicking Save, your newly designated name won't be allocated, and your previous name will remain unchanged. So, always confirm your updates by hitting that Save button. And just like that, within a few clicks, you've successfully changed your Wix site's name. This step-by-step process makes it accessible for anyone, regardless of your tech-savvy level. Renaming a site can be a significant step in your branding journey, and now you've got the know-how to do it seamlessly. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful, and now feel confident about making these changes on your own. If you think this video was useful, be sure to like and subscribe for more practical tips and detailed guides. Thank you for tuning in, and happy site managing.